Hi, Namaskar. I am Savikar Bharadwaj. I am a motivational speaker. I motivate people to lose their weight. So far, I have made so many videos on my Hindi channel, and millions of people have watched my video and they have lost their weight. And there are thousands of people who have sent their testimonials, and those testimonials are there on my channel also. Someone has lost 7 kgs, someone has lost 10 kgs, someone has lost 15, 20, 30, 32, 35 kgs. There are so many people who have lost their weight just by following the tips I explain here on my channel. So I basically make videos in Hindi, but some of my subscribers have requested me to make video in English as well. So today I am explaining my formula. I have made a formula that is 32 bar wala formula in Hindi, but if in English we call it as 32 times formula. What exactly is 32 times formula? You don't have to skip any meal. You can eat whatever you want to eat and still you will be losing weight. So how does it works? Before telling this formula, I want to share a story with you. There is a story. When I was in 7th or 8th standard, there used to be a girl in my class and she was very obese. She was very fat, and I remember no boy of our class was interested in having friendship with that girl, and she felt very lonely that time. So coincidentally, when I went to my college, so that same girl was there in my college also. And when first time after such a long time I saw her, she was looking very thin, very pretty, very beautiful. And what transformation was there? That time none of the boy of our class was interested in having friendship with her, and this time I heard so many of the boys wanted to have friendship with that girl. So this is a transformation. This happens with so many of the people who are obese. This happened with me, so many people. I myself was a very obese person since my childhood. My weight is very much, and I tried so many ways to lose my weight. But after trying so many ways, I tried dieting also. By dieting I lost my weight, but when I came back from that dieting, I get back my weight on my body. So what I did was I read so many books. I read a book called I Can Make You Thin. So I learned something from that book, and I made a research on the people who are naturally thin. How the people are thin? They eat everything and still they don't gain their weight. So I made a formula called 32 bar wala formula. This is a free formula to everyone. You don't have to spend even a single penny for this formula. I promise you, if you practice this from your heart, if you practice this religiously, you will definitely lose weight. What exactly this formula says is, this formula has some steps. Step number 1 is, whenever you are having your meal, make very small bites. For example, in India we people eat roti, and in western part of the world and in United States and in Europe and other countries, people eat meat, people eat rice, people eat bread. So many people have different kind of diets. So in this formula, 32 bar wala formula, what is the step number 1? Step number 1 is, whatever you are having, take very small bite out of it. In India, I ask people, there is a roti in India, and people have this roti. Usually those people who are obese and fat, what they do is, they make only 4 to 5 bites out of that roti. They take very big bites out of that roti. So in this 32 times formula, I suggest people that take very small bites, at least 12 to 15 bites out of a standard size roti. And people there in western part of the world who eat meat and other things, I recommend them and I suggest them, if you are having rice, don't fill the entire spoon of yours. Just have half of the spoon, and as if you are feeding this food to a very young kid of 3 or 4 years, take very small bite out of it, right? So you have to take very small bite. And the other step is, step number 1 is take very small bite, and step number 2 is, whenever you put every bite in your mouth, chew every bite for at least 32 times. You need to count it for at least 40 days. For the first 40 days, count every bite and chew it for 32 times. Make it a very fine paste in your mouth, or make it a water in your mouth, and then swallow it. Some people don't like chewing this for very much. Some people says that it doesn't seems very good to chew the food for that much time. So does it seems good to have that much fat on your belly or that much fat on your body? If you don't like fat on your body, then follow this step. Chew every food for at least 32 times. Make it a water in your mouth and then swallow it. Step number 2 is this. And the step number 3, very important step, that you need to take at least 30 minutes times to finish your food. Usually what people do is, most of the people finish their food in 10 minutes. So there is a science. When we eat our food, after 20 or 25 minutes, there came a burp. You understand what is burp? There comes a burp, and that burps give a signal to our mind that now I am satisfied and full, I can't eat more. But what happens with most of the people, in the first 10 minutes they ate so much, they have so much food in their stomach, that they don't give that chance to that burp to come. So if you chew very slowly, so many people have told me this thing, that when they have started this formula of 32 bar, 32 times formula, most of the people are having 4 chapatis, 3 chapatis, and when they have started eating with this 32 bar wala formula, having very small bites, they took 20 minutes to finish a single chapati or a single roti. So whatever meal you are having, I suggest you that chew it very slowly. If you are having, suppose if you are having 3 or 4 breads in your lunch, if you chew by this formula and if you take 30 minutes to finish your food, I am for sure you won't be able to chew more than 1.5 bread in half hour. So chew it very slowly, enjoy your food, try to visualize, close your eyes. Once you put the food in your mouth, visualize what exactly is there, what is the taste, how much is the salt is there, how much are the spices are there, what is the taste of onion, what is the taste of tomato, whatever there, what is the taste of meat, whatever you are having, just try to visualize and close your eyes and enjoy. And there is a rule in this 30 minutes time, is that you don't have to watch television while eating, you don't have to use your mobile phone while eating, and you can see the wonder by doing this. And the next step is, after 1 hour of having every major meal, you have to have a cup of green tea. Any brand you can buy from market, but go for a good brand in market, because in India we have made a research and we have launched a green tea. You can buy that from our website 32bar.com. but if you are not from India, you can buy any good brand of green tea from market, and you have to have a cup of green tea 1 hour after every meal. So you might say that in some part of the world people have 5 meals, like in United States people sometimes have 5 meals a day. So am I suggesting you to have 5 cups of green tea a day? No, I am not asking this. Major meal I am asking, after every major meal you have to have a cup of green tea. So I recommend 3, or if not possible 2 cup, you should have a 2 cup of green tea in a day. And the other step is, 1 day in a week is a without salt day. 1 day in a week you don't have to eat salt at all. Whatever you are eating, you are having meat, you are having bread, you are having rice, anything you are having, don't put salt in it. So I am for sure, if you follow these steps, step number 1 is have very small bites. Step number 2 is chew every bite for at least 32 times. Step number 3 is take at least 30 minutes to finish your food. Step number 4 is have green tea after every major meal. And step number 5 is 1 day without salt in a week. If you follow all these steps, I am for sure that you will definitely going to lose your weight, because I have testimonials. So many people, recently there is a testimonial on my channel. One person, he's a doctor by profession, he's a doctor from New Delhi, and he came on live chat with me on Instagram, and he said, sir, I have lost 17 kgs in 21 days without even skipping anything from my meal. You can eat anything This is a rare example. I am not asking that this will happen to you. If you will be able to lose only 4 kgs in a month, that will also be a miracle to yourself. You can imagine, if you can lose 4 kgs in a month, you can lose around 40 kgs in a year. So this is a miracle formula, and I am not asking you to spend anything. You can have anything you want. Just chew it very slowly. So allow your mouth to chew it for 32 times. You have to deliberately count every chew. So it seems like childish, but still you have to do this, because having so much of fat on your belly, having so much fat on your body, it also seems very, very ugly. So if you want to be beautiful, if you want to lose weight, you want to happy. And one more step I forgot to tell you, that the major ingredient required for losing weight, the major thing you have to lose your weight, is the motivation factor. Whenever you saw yourself in the mirror, visualize yourself that you are losing weight day by day, you are becoming very thin, you are becoming very healthy. Have a smile on your face, do meditation in the morning. And one more thing I want to tell you is that if you really like this formula, and if you will be able to lose weight by this formula, please spread this to everyone, because I am doing this for society, I am doing this for social cause. I am not doing this for earning money, because whatever money I am earning from this monetization from YouTube or by selling this green tea, I have a dream to make a hospital where no one has to spend even a single penny, no matter if he's a poor or if he's a rich person. Anyone can go to that hospital for their treatment, and they don't have to spend even a single penny. So my suggestion is, please go for it, try this. It doesn't require to spend even a single penny, and your life will be very beautiful. You can have anything you want, and still you'll be able to lose weight. So my blessings are with you, and I am with you. I'll be making so many more videos in English also. So stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel, and do comment below here in the video. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.